So welcome back to this part now, and for this part you're looking at metrics. Okay, so like I said earlier in the previous class, metrics is just like your table. Okay, so just come here and click on the metrics. We have metrics here, click on it. Okay, you zoom it. Let's repeat the same thing we did earlier. You bring your country, drag it down to the columns. Okay, so you see, you can see now you have the columns here. You have the columns. So I want okay, let's keep the columns here and the rows. Okay, so we have the rows now. So I want to see the sales media, bring the sales down to your values. Okay, so bring down the sales to the values. You can also bring your what's it called again, your discount down to the values. Okay, down to the values. You have this. You can also bring your your discount. Have you put discount? Yes, you haven't. Okay, sales price, bring the sales price down to the same values. Okay, so now we have three of them. You see, like as you can see now, they're almost like tables. So you see they're the same. So come to the values. Let's increase the size to 20 like we did before. 20. So we have this now. You can also increase the sizes of these ones. All right, so you can see that the sum of sales was this, the sum of discount was this, and the sum of the sale price was this. Okay, so this is how to create. You can format this if you want. Can we do one more formatting? Can format this. You can come to the row headers and change this. Let me change the row header to this color, make it look different. All right, let me change background color to this for that. So come here, change it to yellow. We'll change this down now to yellow. Yellow is too bright. Let's take it to what color? Blue. Okay, so you can come around and play as much as you want with it. There are a lot to do here. Okay, so let's pick. Let's come here. This color is this background color. Let's pick this. So you can see I can change this here. You can also do as much as you want. Okay, you can play around with it, add whatever you want, and even input images. So you can go around to play with this part. So this is how to format and also use your metrics. I will see you in our next class.